Alright, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I've created videos, never edited them or done voiceovers over them or anything and uploaded them. So I do have a couple of videos, but I just never post them. But I wanted to post this one because I know that it's going to be a quick video. And it is something that I just now picked up today. I was very shocked to find it because I didn't think that it was ever going to be like restocked again. So I did go to Walmart and I picked up something for my son. I thought it was really cute. It is a perler bead little kit for Easter. It was only like $1.98. That's not a bad price for it. It's not perler bead brand, I believe, but I think it's still cool. So I got him that. And then this is what I found. And I was shocked to find because people are still selling this online for like a ridiculous price online. And they had 3 of them in stock. I picked up all 3 of them and I kind of like gauged the weight of it and everything. And this is like one of the only ones that I really wanted because I really like Kuromi. And it's a cute little backpack. So I went ahead and picked it up for myself. I don't pick up a lot of toys for myself. And I'm going to probably display it in my room here. So I guess I'm kind of looking for this extra calculator. And I did kind of like feel on whether or not this one was heavier than the rest. It did feel heavier than the rest, but that doesn't really mean anything. But let's go ahead and open it. Look at the cute little background. I can probably use that for something. And these are all the things that should be in the bag, I believe. I don't know if there's a variation of them or not. I know a lot of them do have like, okay, there's a special item that you can get. Because it says colors and styles may vary. So let's go ahead and open it up. I gotta cut this little tag because they did a good job of keeping it closed. Let's open up this little section here if there's anything. I doubt that there is. I think it's just stuffing, but it's still cute. I'm gonna leave it in there. And then let's see if I can get this. There we go. So let's go ahead and open it up. See what we get inside. I'm just going to pick the first thing that I see. And this is a little pencil case. It's got the Kuromi on there. And I don't know if you pop it open or... Yep, pop it open. And then I'm not even looking, so I'm just grabbing. Oh, and then here's the little booklet. I think it's just blank. There's no real design in it. And then, let's see. I think these are, oh yeah, these are the stickers. I'll probably end up using these. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is the little postcard. What else is in here? Should be another, yeah, there's another piece of stickers and another postcard. And there should be a pencil in here, I believe. And here is the pencil. And then a paper clip, I'm assuming. Oh, this is the... I guess you put it on here and you can hang it. And there should be... Oh, here are the little stamps. The little stamps for the postcards. And then I gotta find the clip here. This is the cutest one. Oh, So I think I got cut off, but the last thing I was showing you guys was the little stamps for the postcards. And then this is my favorite item out of the whole entire bag. I think that and the pencil holder is the cutest, but this is the cutest one. I wish it would have came with a couple more. But clearly we did not get the calculator. But I really wanted this backpack. It's like one of the only ones that I really like. It has the little pink skull. So, yeah. Thank you for watching.